overdose.
Okay, are you ready for me now?
Yeah.
One question for me. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. We appreciate you. Thank you.
It's 5 years.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank
Do you want a seat? There's a seat for your Estes camp. That's thing.
With the backgrounds, and the entire thing has changed. Please rework your microphones so we can speak happy. If you can get more batteries, can we please check the batteries?
No.